Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening System Settings from the Home menu. This is where all storage and save controls live. Once done, scroll to Data Management and choose Delete Save Data so you get straight to save files. Make sure you select the correct game title on the list. This avoids deleting the wrong progress. You're acting now to access per game save options. Don't navigate elsewhere until the game's save entry is visible and selected. You now choose whether to delete a single user's save or all users for shared data. Pick the correct profile because this controls which progress is removed. After selecting the user, inspect listed save files and autosave entries to decide what to remove. This is where you prevent accidental loss. When ready, press delete and read the confirmation. The system will warn you what will be erased. If unsure, back out and double-check before confirming. You finish by confirming the deletion. Notice that most deletions are irreversible, so pause and be certain. Once confirmed, the save is removed from local storage. Make sure to restart the console if the save still shows up in the menu so the system refreshes. If something goes wrong, check Nintendo Switch Online Cloud backups before taking further steps. You can restore from cloud if you accidentally deleted the wrong save, but only if the backup exists and syncing is enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.